Hello my dear students and friends, welcome back to Creative Kids. So in today's class, I'll let you know how to make the Tantric style of Madhubani painting. In our previous classes, we learned about the Kachni style, Bharni style, and this is the third most important style which we will do in the class, which is known as Tantric style. This is the most famous style of the Madhubani art. First of all, we will draw the borders from sides of the paper and draw the layout as you can see on the screen. After that, we can fill it with the colors of our choice. We can use poster colors, watercolors or acrylic paints as per our choice. I am using here watercolor. Madhubani painting is also known as Mithila painting. Mithila, the birthplace of Sita of the Ramayana, lies in the state of Bihar, bounded by the Himalayas in the north and the rivers Kosi, Ganga and Gandak in the east, south and west respectively. The people of Mithila have developed their own tradition of art, popularly known as Madhubani painting. In their earliest form, Madhubani paintings appear at Aripana, which means floor paintings, and Kobhar, which means wall paintings done by the women of Brahman and Kaisthala caste. Painters today do it on the paper or canvas. A Madhubani painting in the Tantric style, it depicts one of the 10 Mahavidyas with her yantra. The concept of yantra is a unique Tantric one. In Tantric style of Madhubani painting, we generally see Goddess Kali, Bhagwati in Guru style, and meanwhile, we can see some religious symbol like Shri Yantra, Om, Swastik and Kalash etc. Once coloring is done, then you can make their outline with the black gel pen or ink pen you can take. Madhubani paintings mostly depict people and their association with nature and scenes and deities from the ancient epics. Natural objects like the sun, the moon and religious plants like Tulsi are also widely painted. In the Madhubani paintings, no space is left empty. The gaps are filled by the leaves, flowers, animals, birds, and even geometrical designs. The paintings were traditionally done on freshly plastered mud walls and floors of huts. But now they are also done on cloth, handmade paper and canvas. Madhubani paintings are made from the paste of powdered rice. Madhubani painting has remained confined to the compact geographical area and the skills have been passed on through centuries. Mithila painting is a style of Indian painting practiced in the Mithila region of Indian subcontinent. This painting is done with a variety of tools including twigs, brushes, nib pens and matchsticks and using natural dyes or pigments. We can use watercolor and acrylic paints also. It is characterized by its eye-catching geometrical patterns. There is a ritual content for particular occasions such as birth or marriages and festivals such as Holi, Surya Shati, Kali Puja, Upanyana and Durga Puja, etc. Traditionally, Madhubani paintings were made on the evening of certain rituals and ceremonies such as pujas, vratas or weddings. In this painting, half of the color and half of the painting will be done by etching and cross etching. I am using OHP marker or permanent marker for the outline, and for the detail work we will take black gel pen. Likewise, we will complete this tantric style painting by using Kachni and Bharni techniques, which we have done in our previous classes. To learn about Kachni and Bharni technique, link is given in the description box. You can check it out from there. And do let me know in the chat box which style of the Madhubani painting do you like the most. I'm using black gel pen for the detail work, as you can see on the screen. I hope you all like this video. If you really like it and helpful for you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. These border patterns I taught in my previous videos. Link is given in the description box. If you want to learn various kinds of the border of Madhubani art, you can check it out from there.